I just wonder.
Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name's Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And not really. Natalie's over here.
Hi.
With Suzie, who is Kev's wife. Now, we've been saying this a few episodes back that we had some friends out, and so this is Kevin. Weirdly, I've known Kevin since 1997.
Wow.
Maybe even before that.
Well, probably before.
He was also my boss for a while. He fired me. He fired me. I did.
He fired himself.
I fired. Well, I don't blame you. Like, I was useless. Anyway, so this is weird. So they've come out from the UK, and I have a new toy. But first, let me explain why I have a new toy. So Kevin, one of the problems that we've had with RV life, especially here, is that when we're in the campgrounds here,
yeah.
So Kev and Suzie do have a van, so
yeah.
they do van life in the UK.
Yeah.
So the problem that we've been having is when we get somewhere and we want to go around the campsite, or we're camping with friends, we did the switch it up huddle, and so we're constantly going around seeing people. We got some e-bikes that we got from Dustin and Leslie from the Wags, which were great,
Right.
except we had them hooked up to the back of the rig, just on a car carrier kind of thing.
Right.
And honestly, like, they weren't that heavy, it wasn't that much of a pain, but we just didn't, you wouldn't take them down for doing a 2-minute ride.
Cool, yeah. It's
Plus,
just a hassle.
it was such a hassle, and we had a cover for it and straps and all of this lot. Anyway, we found out that we did a trip last year to Maine and everything, and we just didn't use them because they were too big and bulky and annoying.
Right.
And they really have to go on that because we can't fit them in the back of the truck because we had all of our other crap there.
Sure.
So Turbo Ant reached out to us.
Okay.
And I've been waiting for this, and it annoys me because people like Todd from Switch It Up gets all of this stuff.
You get nothing.
Oh, we get nothing. Well, we do get some free stuff. Some of it's really cool. Anyway, they reached out and said, hey, would you want to try our M10 Pro?
Do we?
And I was like, hell yeah. So anyway, just, full disclosure, they did send us this for free. They haven't influenced our opinion at all, so we're going to do a review on the Turbo Ant M10 Pro.
From you.
From brand new. I'm just being lazy, I just can't be bothered to build it. Kevin's going to do it for me. Good luck, Kev.
Yeah. It's got an Allen key, really, so...
Yeah, it comes with tools.
Yeah.
So it comes with all the tools you need.
I think we're going to need... Oh, we've got some snips.
I got some snips for you.
And
They didn't come with it, they're mine.
right, let's go to it.
Oh, we need to do a quick update on Jax. Thank you everyone for your messages. We still don't know what's up with him. They think it could be leukemia, but he is on some anti-cancer medication, not chemo or anything like that. He's also on steroids and he is doing much better. But we are worried that, is it lymphoma? Worried it might be lymphoma and the steroids are actually just suppressing that. So he's back in for tests next week, but we're very happy because he is much better. So we will update you again next week. As you built it, do you want to go first?
No, because I built it. I'd rather you went first.
Oh. Okay. We have a stand. I don't know how. I haven't read any instructions, but
What a surprise.
it doesn't work.
Oh, it's got a bell.
Right, that's the brake.
Is that thing the back doing it? No. It's still...
Whoa!
Oh, he's off.
Can you film him in it?
Oh.
Cool. Okay, so first thing, you have to kind of push off first. It won't just let you do it. That was level 1. I'm going to do level 2 now, see if it's any quicker.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, little so.
Good.
Interestingly with this, so this is the M10 Pro. They do a whole bunch of different versions, but this is the new one they've got out. So Do you know how many miles range this has? I'll give you a clue. It has a 10.4 amp hour battery.
All right.
What do you reckon the range is?
I know. 5 miles.
30 miles.
No way, really?
30 miles.
30 miles.
At a top speed of 20 miles an hour.
Good grief.
So I think if you use 2, it puts it up to 20.
Yeah.
And 1 limits it, but gives you longer range.
Yeah.
So it's got a 10.4 amp hour battery. It's got a 350 watt brushless motor. I don't know what that means. Someone will be interested though. It is dead quiet. 8.5 inch tyres, and the good thing is sometimes these are actually air tyres. Sometimes they're just like rubber tyres.
Yeah, you can tell it's pneumatic tyres. It gets really smooth ride.
Yeah, it's much nicer. Yeah, pneumatic. That's the word.
Yeah.
It has a USB charging port here for your phone, so you can charge your phone off it. It can do a 15% hill climb, incline.
Right, okay, yeah.
Incline.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know what our driveway is.
Yeah,
maybe 15%.
Yeah, it was all right.
It did all right.
Slowed down a bit, but it was all right.
Yeah. And it has dual brakes, which not front and back. It's disc and electric.
Well, okay.
Which is obviously important because if you run out of power, then you've got no brakes.
I don't know if they can see as well, but if you zoom in at night.
You've got lights. It's got brake lights and normal lights. It even has a light on the front.
Yep. Well, let's just settle for the fact it's got a bell.
Yeah, the bell's pretty cool. It doesn't even advertise that. I didn't know I was going to have to buy one. So anyway, the reason why I'm excited about this is because now we can just fold this up and chuck it in the back of the truck. So I don't have to take it off the rig or put it back on or cover it or anything. We can either put this in the back of the truck. I don't know how much it weighs. If you pick it up, well, you do kilos, don't you? But I think it's probably about 20 pounds.
It's not too bad. Yeah,
it's not
too bad. Yeah.
So yeah, it's easily liftable. And our e-bikes, we had the electric ones, and even though they were fantastic, they were pretty heavy as well.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, I need to put some safety gear on so that I can try this properly.
Yeah.
Cinematic.
Very inappropriate.
Was that enough?
Yeah.
No! You didn't even do it! I just get a shot of your nuts.
How the McChickies now.
Susie, go help him.
I can't help him on that end.
That'll do, won't it? So we had this great idea, cinematic beginning of me putting my leathers on from the bike racing days, but they've obviously shrunk because I haven't put these on for about 13 years, and so yeah, they must have shrunk.
Yeah, can't really be that.
I mean, you know, it is leather shrinks, doesn't it? It like dries out and stuff, so Kev says no. I think this is safe enough though.
Okay.
We'll be alright. Okay, we'll carry on with the I'll put the helmet on and stuff, we'll make it look fancy. Okay. Natalie, you are going to love this. Like, Natalie does not get on with the e-bikes. This is way easier. It's a lot easier than what people make it out like, actually. I always think people look uncomfortable on these, but this is great. I think we're going to love this.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think we should buy another one.
Okay.
But they do other options, actually, so you can get another one with it. Doesn't go as fast.
I need that one.
Yeah, but it has better mileage. But I think you can change this to the first setting. I did notice the first setting down there, I changed it to 1 and it wasn't very good at getting up the hills, and it went from like 7 miles per hour. But that isn't really a very steep hill. The only thing I will say, it's not a very steep hill, and it only did like 9 miles an hour up there. Admittedly, put a little bit of holiday weight on still, so that could be why. But going downhill, it hit 20 miles an hour like straight away. That was cool.
Nice.
So yeah, this is great. 30-mile range. You have to push off a little bit and then that'll take over.
I don't want to go down this hill.
Yeah, you can go down the hill.
No, I'm going to walk.
No, you'll be fine.
Fine.
Look, people are waiting. We're all waiting, just stood here watching you wheel it down the hill. You're doing 2 miles an hour. What are you doing?
I want to go on a flat
It's a scooter. You're not meant to walk it.
It's too fast.
It's not, it's
Why do you make me do these things?
I'm not making you do this. They are. They are making you do this.
God, there's no way I'm going to be able to stay upright.
There is. Just push off a bit and then push the thing down. You'll be fine.
Do you remember my mini moto accident?
I do.
You sure?
And go.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'm going to be
Move a little bit.
No, wait. I can't balance on it.
Go. 3, 2, 1,
Maybe
go.
I try this way.
Okay. And push your thumb down.
I don't want to.
Push your thumb down.
No!
No, that's not how this works.
Isn't this how a scooter goes? Look, it's really shaky.
It's not. Just. Come on, you got this.
This is going to really hurt.
No, only if you fall off. You won't fall off. You'll be
Wait,
fine.
how do I stop?
The left.
This is a
lever.
brake.
That's the brake. Yeah. Okay.
What, just-
Go. Go. Are you pushing the lever?
I am. It's not doing
Because you're not going fast
Oh,
enough.
I don't know what the speed is. It says 2. It says it's such a shit. Right, just wait. Don't push me. Oh my god.
I sincerely apologise for this 35-minute long video.
Okay,
Come
no,
on, you got it. You got it.
Okay, it's going. I pushed it down.
Okay.
Don't push me! Don't push me!
I'm not going to push you. No. Wait. I'll press this so it's on. Oh, that's how you turn the lights on. Look.
Oh,
That's
okay.
cool. It's on 1, so it's on the baby setting.
Thank you. Well, that's kind of what I was just doing, though, right?
Okay, go on. Push it down and go. You need to push it down more.
I
and go
am. It
faster.
says 2.
No, it doesn't.
It does. Don't touch me.
If you're doing 2 miles an hour, that says 1.
Oh, okay. I thought it was level 2.
Okay, let's get above 2 miles an hour. Come on, you got this.
There's a slight hill here.
It's fine. That's it.
Now
Push
it's
the
doing
lever
it by
down.
itself.
What are you doing?
Hold on. Oh God.
Oh, I think there is a cruise control. Yeah, there is a cruise control option somehow.
Right. I got
Yes! Yes!
5. I'm on 5. 6. I got to 6. Oh, that's wibbly.
Okay, we don't know what the weight limit is. It would be an easy thing to Google, but we're going to test it here. Are you both getting on?
Yep.
Okay. Get out of your way.
Stop then.
I was going to go on with Thomas, but I don't know what the age limit is here for consent, so it might look a little bit rude.
Right,
So
where are you going to put your feet?
apparently it's more appropriate for father and son to do it.
Oh shit, the bed. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Really lovely meeting you all.
Okay.
You're so brave.
Go Suzie, go! Yeah.
That is to slow down.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh, there they go. Natalie, I think Suzie stole my scooter.
She's on a full spin with no brakes.
Where did she go?
Far down. Nearly done the whole literally gone around the block for someone who didn't want to use it.
She's loving it. You're loving it, aren't you?
What a complete tit.
For someone who said I'm not going anywhere near that, you love this.
I did like it. I thought it was fantastic.
But I'm a little bit worried that you've been gone for 20 minutes and then the first thing you say is, how do I stop?
Thomas didn't tell me.
So what do you think?
I loved it. It's really, really good. Great
really
fun.
cool.
Yeah, it's 20 miles an hour, easy peasy.
Yep.
Got 2 people on it as well. It's great. As you'll probably see in a minute, with our youngest is enjoying it as well.
We can't get him off it. He's done about 50 miles already. Anyway, yeah, I'm impressed. So actually, one thing Kevin said when he was building it is actually really good quality as well.
It really is. Yeah.
So it's not, you know, the cheap
It's not the
Chinese
cheap kind
stuff.
of Chinese stuff at all. No, it's
No.
really solid. Yeah.
Yeah, it is very good, and the speed is great and everything. So yeah, I think this is about $400,
Okay.
which isn't too bad
Yeah, I
at
was
all.
going to
Really,
say that's about right. Yeah,
I think
that's
that's
good.
perfect. Anyway, well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the bell button, hit the thanks button because Natalie loves it when you do that.
That's right, yeah.
And then hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Just check you are subscribed because a lot of people have said that they've been unsubscribed. It's a whole thing, Kev, don't worry about it. Everyone's YouTube is unsubscribing people from channels. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thanks to everyone below for supporting the channel. A couple of tits this week. It's me and Kev and Susie, Thomas, and a little bit of Natalie as well. All right,
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.
Cheers.